Today, I'm going to show you how to make this jack-o'-lantern. Here are the supplies you will need today. Scissors, pencil, glue, a piece of black paper, and a piece of orange paper that's half the size of the black paper. All right, let's start drawing our pumpkin. Put the orange paper in front of you so that it is tall. And we're going to make a dot on the top left corner. Go to the bottom left corner and make a dot above your finger. Those are going to be our guide points. Starting at the top, we're going to make a small stem shape, kind of like a number 7. Then I'm going to draw a curved line that comes down like this. And then it's going to get wider here. Come around and go to that bottom dot. Now I'm going to draw one eye. I'm going to draw half of a nose. I'm going to draw this kind of a nose. And then I'm going to make some really pointy teeth like this. Like a capital W or an M. Now we're ready to cut. There's not going to be any trash paper today, so don't crumble up or throw away any of this orange paper. So cut out the shape of the pumpkin first. This part we're going to call the frame. Keep that. Now to cut out the eye safely, you need to fold the paper where the eye is at, make a little cut with the tip of your scissors, unfold it, then you have a hole to put your scissors through. Never try to poke a hole because your hand's right here. So pinch, cut, unpinch, put the scissors in the hole, cut out the eye. I cut out the nose. And then the teeth. Back and forth. Watch your fingers. You're gonna have to turn the paper many times. It's okay if you're not right on the line that you drew. All right, don't lose any of your pieces. So we have a frame, the face, eye, half a nose, half a mouth. Now we're gonna start gluing these to the black paper, but there's a certain way to do it. We're gonna take the frame and we're gonna glue that to the right side of the black paper. Now we're going to take this part, the face, with no glue on either side, no glue, and we're going to put it back inside the frame and just sit it there for a second. No glue. We're going to put the glue on top of the face, on top, as if it were icing on a cookie, on top. We do this step so we know which is the correct side to put the glue on. Now once the glue's on there, we're gonna pick up the face and flip it over to the black side and line it up with that center line of symmetry. Just like we're opening a door. So line the stem up with the top, right there. bottom, the bottom. There we go. The glue will dry clear if it's showing. A little more glue right here. Now we're going to take the parts of the face, the half a nose, the eye, and the half a mouth, and with no glue, kind of like we're solving a puzzle, we're going to put them back in the places where we cut them from, but with no glue. So you might have to flip them, rotate them. If you look for the pencil lines, that might help you out as well. So no glue. Just put them in there like you're solving a puzzle. Now the glue goes on top of the eye, on top of the half a nose, on top of the half a mouth. And then we're going to pick up each piece and flip it over to the black side. So line up that eye, flip over the nose, flip open the mouth like you're opening a door. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed making this jack-o'-lantern with me today. See you next time.